Horrifying. Okay, guys, is this the last round? I get to play Obida. Obida, you're in. Get to your board. Black is winning. But David's hilarious. David, thank you for the professional commentary. I think it's bishop d3, guys. I think it's bishop d3. I think it's bishop d3. I learned these lines for my FIDE master, or no, my international master, who might be a GM now, is he? Wait for it. This can't be a mistake. Oh, only came in for a bit. RJ Hurd, how you doing, man? Welcome to the stream. Can he trap the bishop? He can. Bishop g5 wasn't the move, guys. Bishop g5 was not the move. This is not the right plan. This is not the right plan. It might be the right plan for after I made the wrong move, but it would. This wasn't it. I think it was knight d2, guys. It's a and bishop c4 to stop e6, right? This is not the right plan, I don't think, for this, guys. Not for this position, but I'm probably okay. Because e4 is okay. Might be this. And f4. Might be rook 1. I don't know what to do. And I could come here, but that I think is okay for me. Weak squares, weak squares, weak squares. There's a square here. My bishop sucks. Why don't we just bring the rook? Yeah. I'm not looking at chat at all for this, guys. I'm not looking at chat even to say hi. I'm sorry. Stars, John Hansen, 500. Thank you for the 500, John Hansen. E7's weak. The knight wants to come here anyway. F6 is a move you love to see. It's probably not the right move, guys. But I have to move. The problem is I have to move. I don't think we're worried about that pawn, man. I think we just take it. So I'm gonna do this. I think we just take, and then like queen back, and we just win the pawn. You know what I'm saying? The pawn is not anything I think we're worried about. It clears the c4 square. It does. But after takes knight, I could kick the knight, and I think we can get the pawn, guys. I want to push is my idea. The problem is this square is unprotected, and I also have these threats. Knight takes, pawn takes, and then I can do something like it. Right? Good. Probably could have stayed on this. No, it's okay. Oh, he gets e5 with this knight, guys. Knight e5 is a good move. And I might play this. This might be the move. That might be the move, to hit the one knight and then get a knight off c5 and get into e6. He's coming in. How do I get to this freaking square? Come back. Make him take it with the pawn, play b3. Oh, I didn't see it. This is how I always lose these games, guys. No. Oh, no. It burns like fire, guys. Oh, but wait. Wait for it. What this move? I'm hitting the rook. And I'm hitting the fork. You might have something good here, guys. I think I found a good move. I don't know. I can't look at chat, guys. I can't look at chat. John Hansen, thanks for the 500. Appreciate you, brother. And I have 338, which means I have to move at a decent pace, not really fast, but I cannot be in an endgame with 50 seconds. Like up an exchange or something. You know what I'm saying? Knight takes. We fork. Rook takes. I think I play queen takes. And he can't attack my queen. I think I'll get an exchange for a pawn. Because he can step out of the fork. You know what I'm saying, guys? He can move one of the pieces out of the fork. But knight takes, he's going to have to take with the pawn. Because the fork... Unless he moves his king out. He can move his king out, guys. It's a real move. But in the meantime, I'm threatening a rook. He is trying to find the best move, guys. I'm going to have to take a good 20, 30 seconds and come up with my reply. But I need to be using this time right now. Now look at chat, folks. This is up for all the marbles. 21-11. My tactics have been a little bit off today, folks. King moves, I just play knight takes rook. He moves the rook, I play knight takes knight. Probably best move, save the queen. I probably just told Abadi the best move if he's listening to chat. Save the queen. Knight takes. Or knight takes, pawn takes, knight check. No, I can't bring the queen anywhere. Okay, sacks there. Now we just take. So now we're up in exchange for a pawn. He has an incredibly weak pawn, and we're threatening the world. I'm going to win another exchange, and then I have to activate my rooks. His knight will be good. He'll probably bring this knight. Then I can play a 4-second exchange if I need to. I'm already up 1. Get this pawn. Don't sack an exchange if I don't want to. Well, he's going to have a fork at some point, but if the queen comes to this file, we might hit it first. Save one of the rooks. If it comes to a square where I can attack it, that's pretty cool. Just takes and he has no option. And takes and takes. Well, then I could play a 4. And make him come with this pawn, and then I get this pawn. Oh, that's cool. Okay, guys. This is for all the marbles. I like white. I think white is better. But see, he just gave up an exchange. Now I like it's not checkmating, and there's no queen fork. Like, get that out of your head. He can move his queen right now. He move his king right now. And I won't have f4 after queen takes c5. Hit the queen. He goes back, probably a good square. Guys, I can't get down to 30 seconds against this guy, man. Yeah, he's breaking in the center, folks. Don't give him a pawn. Just take it. Just take it. Right. Comes here, turn in the square. Double up, cover it nice. Now we're threatening this. Bishop takes, queen takes. That probably will be mating. After, oh God, I'm losing it, man. I'm losing it. Did I draw my queen? Right. Probably should, in a 40 and 2, I shouldn't do that because of this. I think I might still be all right. Crucial to get this pawn. Just take and hit the knight, man. Just take and hit the knight. Oh my God. Horrifying.